Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Winny 300 Pro Robotic Pool Vacuum. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Increased battery life. Larger battery capability can support 130 minutes working time. It sets multiple protections for the battery to ensure that the product is safe and durable. Ideal for round above ground pools, and in-ground flat bottom pools up to 1,300 square feet. Cordless design and safe. No more tangled hoses. Upgraded Winny 300 Pro will take care of everything. The cordless automatic pool vacuum is battery operated. No need to worry about dealing with cord entanglement or the possibility of a power short out while connecting a power connection. Efficient cleaning. With deflector and powerful motor, this automatic pool cleaner can be quickly started up by turning the knob to do. Equipped 2 large suction doors, 1 bottom brush and a 180 mm filter, robotic pool cleaner can effectively capture dirt. Easy to use and auto parking. Simply power the pool vacuum robot on and submerge it in your pool and the cleaning process automatically begins when the battery runs low. It automatically parks near the pool edge for easy retrieval. Even first-time users can seamlessly schedule it to handle daily debris and dirt, simplifying pool maintenance. LED indicator. Advanced LED 3-color lights makes it easy to know the battery life and the machine status. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.